Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic transfers between checking and savings. You want to save money without even thinking about it? With Lendingclub, you can set up automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts. Here's how to do it. The first step is to log into your account. So open the Lendingclub app, or you can go on the website and then just navigate to your checking or savings account dashboard. There, you're going to choose transfer money. So go ahead and select transfer or move money and then pick the destination, that's from check-ins to savings or vice versa. Next step is to set your frequency. You can choose how often you want the transfer to happen. Could be daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. Next step after that is to select amount and start date. Now you're going to enter the exact dollar amounts that you want transferred, and then you're going to pick a start date, and Lendingclub will take it from there automatically. Next is to review and confirm. So double check your schedule and then confirm to activate your automatic transfer rule. Automatic transfers are like paying your future self first. In the next video, we're going to look at how to track rewards and benefits from Lendingclub's accounts, so stay tuned to that video. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.